Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the enchanting world of rustic woodworking. Here, we celebrate the beauty of handmade furniture crafted from reclaimed and scrap wood. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, our content is designed to inspire your creativity and provide you with the skills needed to create stunning pieces that resonate with the rustic charm of nature. Our journey will take you through essential techniques, tips for sustainability, and insights into the booming market for rustic furniture, a profitable craft. In conclusion, crafting rustic handmade furniture presents a wealth of opportunities for profit and personal fulfillment. By utilizing simple skills, scrap wood, and a passion for woodworking, you can create unique pieces that resonate with consumers. The growing demand for sustainable, authentic items provides a solid foundation for a successful venture. Embrace the charm of rustic design, tap into market trends, and build a rewarding business that reflects your creativity and commitment to craftsmanship. In this video, you'll discover how to transform simple materials into functional works of art that not only enhance your home but also generate income. We'll explore the unique appeal of rustic aesthetics compared to modern designs, highlighting the warmth and authenticity that handmade items bring to any space. Join us as we embark on this fulfilling journey together, empowering you to embrace your creativity and turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture. Let's get started. If you're enjoying this journey into rustic woodworking, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends or fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might find it helpful. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable resources for our community. Be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video for some special tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and create something amazing together. Embracing rustic aesthetics. Rustic handmade wooden furniture offers a unique charm that sets it apart from contemporary designs. The raw, natural look of rustic pieces evokes a sense of warmth and authenticity, making them highly sought after in today's market. Unlike sleek, modern furniture, rustic designs celebrate imperfections and the inherent beauty of wood. This aesthetic appeals to consumers who appreciate craftsmanship and the story behind each piece, positioning rustic furniture as a timeless choice for various settings. The appeal of simple skills. Creating rustic furniture doesn't require advanced woodworking skills, making it accessible for beginners. With just basic tools and techniques, individuals can craft beautiful pieces that enhance their living spaces. This simplicity invites more people to explore woodworking as a hobby or side business, allowing them to express creativity while generating income. The satisfaction of transforming raw materials into functional art can be incredibly rewarding, fostering a deeper connection to the craft. Utilizing scrap and reclaimed wood. One of the most appealing aspects of rustic furniture making is the ability to use scrap and reclaimed wood. This not only reduces waste but also promotes sustainability, a significant selling point in today's eco-conscious market. By repurposing materials that might otherwise end up in landfills, artisans can create unique pieces with character and history. Each item made from reclaimed wood tells a story, appealing to customers who value environmentally friendly practices and the preservation of natural resources. Market demand for rustic furniture. The demand for rustic furniture has surged in recent years, driven by trends favoring natural materials and sustainable living. Consumers are increasingly drawn to the rustic aesthetic for its ability to create cozy, inviting spaces. This shift in preferences opens up profitable opportunities for artisans. By tapping into this growing market, you can establish a profitable venture that resonates with buyers seeking unique, handcrafted items that enhance their homes. Sustainability as a selling point. Sustainability plays a crucial role in the appeal of rustic furniture. As awareness of environmental issues rises, consumers are gravitating toward products that align with their values. By emphasizing the use of reclaimed wood and eco-friendly practices, you position your crafts as responsible choices for conscientious buyers. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability not only attracts customers, but also builds brand loyalty, as many consumers are willing to support businesses that prioritize the planet. Versatility for home use. Rustic furniture seamlessly fits into various home environments, making it a versatile choice for consumers. Whether it's a cozy cabin, a modern apartment, or a traditional home, rustic pieces can enhance the overall aesthetic. Their adaptable nature allows them to complement different decor styles, appealing to a wide range of customers. This versatility can significantly broaden your target market, increasing the potential for sales and profitability. Cultural significance in restaurants. Beyond residential spaces, rustic furniture is increasingly popular in restaurants and cafes. Establishments seeking to create a warm, inviting atmosphere often turn to rustic designs to enhance their ambience. This trend opens up additional market opportunities for artisans who can provide unique, handcrafted pieces that align with the cultural identity of dining spaces. The demand for rustic furniture in the hospitality industry can contribute significantly to your income, making it a lucrative avenue to explore. The Simple Life movement. The rise of the Simple Life movement has further fueled interest in rustic handmade furniture. Many individuals are seeking to simplify their lives by embracing minimalism and a return to nature. Rustic furniture embodies this philosophy, providing functional yet aesthetically pleasing solutions for those looking to declutter and create serene environments. By tapping into this movement, you can attract customers who value simplicity, authenticity, and a connection to the natural world. Job opportunities in woodworking. The growing interest in rustic furniture also presents job opportunities within the woodworking industry. As more people seek to learn the craft, there is a demand for workshops, classes, and mentorship programs. By sharing your skills and knowledge, you can contribute to the growth of the woodworking community while generating additional income. This not only benefits you as an artisan, but also fosters a supportive environment for aspiring woodworkers. A profitable craft. In conclusion, crafting rustic handmade furniture presents a wealth of opportunities for profit and personal fulfillment. By utilizing simple skills, scrap wood, and a passion for woodworking, you can create unique pieces that resonate with consumers. The growing demand for sustainable, authentic items provides a solid foundation for a successful venture. Embrace the charm of rustic design, tap into market trends, and build a rewarding business that reflects your creativity and commitment to craftsmanship. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you found the content helpful or inspiring, please consider liking the video and sharing it with anyone who might enjoy it. Your engagement helps us grow and reach more woodworking enthusiasts like you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips in the future. We're thrilled to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to sharing more creative ideas with you soon. Happy woodworking!